Hey guys, so today's video I want to talk all about health and fitness. I want to go through some of my favorite snacks, some things that I love to cook with my boyfriend, kind of my whole journey with fitness, some clothing items, some shoes, and just kind of an overall little talk and chat with you guys about this. As most of you know, health and fitness has been something that I have always kind of struggled with. It's just been something that has been a little bit of a touchy topic, which I think it is for most girls. I think every single girl in the world, no matter how beautiful she is, probably isn't 100% happy with her body. I think that's just natural and that's the way our society kind of is. But I'm really looking forward to kind of just seeing the improvement in girls and seeing the whole idea of people being more respectful about each other's bodies and also just more encouraging. And that's really, I think, what has made the biggest change in me, mentally and physically, and just my overall kind of view on health and fitness and diet and working out is just really looking at it in a positive, healthy way and having a really good mindset on it and doing it because it makes me feel good about myself, and also knowing that I can always improve myself, I can always be working towards a goal and just doing things that are really good for my body that I know down the line I will be really happy that I did. So I first do want to go ahead and give a little shout out to RX Bar. Thank you so much to them for partnering with me on this video and supporting my channel. So RX Bar is a really amazing whole foods protein bar. So there's no BS in these bars. So basically there's no artificial colors, artificial dyes, added sugar, just none of that stuff that you really don't want in a protein bar. And there's 12 bars in here, and I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky viewer. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to hear how you can actually win this. But the one that I have been obsessed with, this is the mixed berry one. So this has 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and of course no BS. So I really love that they list everything that's included in here on the bar, so you really know what you're getting, you really know what you're putting into your body, and I think that is an amazing first step for health and fitness. You of course always need to be aware and also just be mindful of that. So I personally like to work out at night. I know a lot of girls do enjoy working out in the morning, but for me it's something I do at night after I've had my dinner, and I feel like it kind of helps wind me down, and it also helps me get ready for bed because after a long workout I'm tired and I'm like looking forward to going to sleep, and I find that I don't like stay up too late messing around on my computer or on social media. So having these after dinner is like the perfect little snack. It gives me something kind of sweet, but it's not anything bad. I can feel good knowing that what I'm eating is going to help and improve my workout, but also not be a detriment to the body that I'm trying to achieve and maintain. My boyfriend really loves the chocolate and sea salt ones. He thinks they're so good. And again, this has 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. And then the last flavor I have here is actually the chocolate peanut butter. So I know there's some people out there that this sounds like a dream. If that's you, you should definitely go ahead and check them out. I do have a discount code for you guys, so it's going to be 25% off. If you want to go ahead and check it out, it's a link below. And you can just go to rxpower.com/Megan and use the promo code Megan, and you can try them out for yourselves. But again, if you would like to go ahead and win this little variety pack of bars, then just go ahead and leave me a comment on this video letting me know which flavor you would like to try, and also something that you love to do for exercise, whether it be a certain machine or a certain activity, or just something that you like to do that gets your heart rate up and gets you feeling good and gets in a little movement for the day. I also love that these have no gluten, no soy, no dairy, and no added sugar. So if those are important things for you in your diet, you can feel good about using RX Bar and know that the nutrition you're getting and the protein bar that you're choosing is going to be something completely good for you. So keeping with the theme of food, I do want to talk a little bit about cooking. So my boyfriend and I have been living together in Charlotte. It's a little cloudy out, but it's a nice view we got here now. Downtown Charlotte. And we have been cooking all the time. We were going out to restaurants a little bit at the beginning of our relationship, I think just kind of exploring around Charlotte and stuff, but we actually had a talk and we both discussed that we really love cooking together. It's something really fun, and it's kind of like a little activity that I feel like makes us closer. We like to try out different recipes and then of course go to the grocery store together, and that's always a fun little thing. But I think it is definitely something that can bond you, so whether you have a boyfriend or you have a close friend or even with your parents or your siblings or even a roommate, I think cooking together not only is healthy, it's really good for your wallet, and it's also very good for your waistline and for trying to stay in shape because you know exactly what you're putting in your food. I have the zucchini noodles, that's what I was talking about. Yes. Or should we just get these Brussels sprouts? These are already seasoned, babe.
No, I want to season mine.
Okay. Those are just ready. Those are cut too and everything. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Show you the smaller one. I'll eat that tomorrow for lunch.
What do we put that with?
You just put a little bit of like lemon, pepper. For me, a big problem with restaurants is just not knowing what they're using. I know a lot of times there's a lot of added salt and butter and oil, and when you cook your own delicious meals, you actually know what you're putting in there and the ingredients that you're choosing. And there are a lot of things that you can make that are not only healthy and yummy, but are just like different to try. And so we actually tried out zucchini noodles, which were a hit, and he's a really good cook of salmon, so we did that as well. Hey guys, so we just got back from the grocery store. We're going to make some salmon, and then we're deciding between these zucchini noodles or some roasted Brussels sprouts. So we'll see what we pick. I think it should be pretty fun. We always enjoy cooking dinner together, so once we're done, we'll show you what we came up with. Oh yeah, these are good.
Yeah?
They're cooking up nicely.
What?
They're cooking up nicely.
Yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. That's what we want, right?
Yep. Oh, you have the rosemary and everything? Getting fancy. You are. Nice presentation. Nice and hot. Got the meat.
You can do it. Ow.
Thoughts?
Really good, yeah.
Good? So it's zucchini noodles and the salmon with rosemary infused pan-seared salmon. Compliments of the chef. He likes to do a lot of seafood, so like lobster, and then we also did the other night, I believe it was like a marinated chicken and roasted Brussels sprouts. I was a huge fan, and honestly before that I really didn't think I liked Brussels sprouts, but once we kind of made them together and I got involved in the whole process, I realized that I really did. So I think that's something really cool, that if you maybe aren't a fan of a certain type of food or you don't think you like it, try to make it yourself and you might be pleasantly surprised. On the whole idea of working out, I did want to talk a little bit about what I've been doing. So I have been doing kind of training with him. My boyfriend does play hockey professionally, so working out is something that's very, very important to him. It's something he was raised to do from a young age. His family is very involved in gyms and fitness. And for me, that was something really interesting for our relationship. Like I said, I've never been a super, super athletic person in my life. I did cheer and dance as I was growing up, but never I was like a strictly gym person. And something so special is actually the fact that I feel completely comfortable and that I actually feel so motivated by him when I work out. And so he's been training me with weights and helping me, and he also just pushes me when I'm doing cardio in the gym, and it's really nice to have someone else there that holds you accountable but also makes you feel good about yourself. The most amazing thing to me is not only during my workout, he's teaching me proper form, how to use certain equipment, how to use certain weights, things to not do, making sure that I stretch, making sure that I hydrate, and just making sure that I work out in a way that is really, you know, the proper way to do it and the right way to do it, and the way that in the long run is going to actually give me the best results and also make sure my body stays healthy and in good shape. And I just have to say, like, the kindness that he shows me and just the amount of motivation he gives me after I finish a workout is insane. And I really think that is what kind of flipped the switch in my mind for it being something that I now enjoy and that I don't dread. I actually look forward to it because it's a time where I know that I'm going to focus really hard, that I'm really going to zone in, get my workout done, and I not only know that I feel proud of myself after doing it, I feel proud of him feeling proud about me, and also, you know, just kind of accomplishing small goals, maybe lifting a weight that I couldn't do the time before, or doing one extra, you know, sit-up or something that I didn't think I was capable of. So I really do think that a big thing is, if you're someone who wants to work out, it's something that you want to do but you're not sure where to start, really honestly look into personal training or even classes, or even just training with a friend, someone else that's very knowledgeable about the gym and working out, because it has made a world of difference for me, and I cannot thank him enough for just the confidence he's given me, not only with my body, but also just with the way I view working out now. I think it's really special, and it's definitely something that, if you know me, you know that me loving going to the gym was not something that was that common, and I have to say it's something I have a newfound love and respect for, and it's all thanks to him. Moving on to some more fun things, I do want to go ahead and talk about some clothing things. Of course, when you are going to the gym, having cute clothes and cute shoes makes it that much more fun. I am someone who has been a fan of like colorful leggings in the past. I'm sure you guys remember some of my crazier pairs. I'm on the hunt right now for a pair of white leggings. Like I want really good ones, obviously good quality, ones that aren't going to be super see-through, although I know that might be kind of difficult, but he's definitely has me doing a lot of squats and lunges and stuff, so I need ones that are nice, good quality. And if you guys have any recommendations on where I can find a great pair of like white leggings, definitely let me know, because I think that would be so hot for spring and would also be some good booty motivation to make sure my booty looks good. So I wanted to go ahead and show you 2 pairs of shoes that I have. This is something really cool on Nike.com that you can actually do, and you can customize your shoes. So I actually did this with my boyfriend. He's obsessed with doing it. Like all of his Nike shoes have his name on them. But just so you guys can tell like the size difference on these. Okay, so obviously these are mine, and this is his pair over here. Now he's 6'4" and about 100 pounds bigger than me, so he's almost like a foot taller than me and 100 pounds bigger than me. So that's, you know, that's nice. It makes me feel small. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the pair that I customized. These are so cool. So it's just a pink to orange ombre with the white. I think they're so like punchy, and they just really have like a really cool like look to them. I've honestly never seen a shoe that looked like this, so I'm so excited to wear them. They're almost like too pretty to work out in, but I'm going to do it, of course. And I think with like a workout outfit that's like all white, these would be adorable, so I can't wait for that. And if you see right here on the tongue, it actually says MJP in white. So I just have my initials printed on there, which I love. And again, I did that with the little customization tool on Nike.com. And then this is his pair. These are crazy. Yes, they're huge. Literally bigger than my head. He picked out like this red kind of like suede material, and then the camo, and then back here he has this just like a little nickname for his last name that he puts on all of his shoes. So yes, those are really fun, and again, I think that's through the Nike ID service if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's basically it. I want to just give you guys a little health and fitness update and just tell you that I'm so grateful for our comments on Instagram and just in my videos, letting me know that you guys think I look healthy and happy and in a good situation, and it is very true. A lot of it is thanks to my wonderful boyfriend who has been helping me and motivating me and inspiring me. And I just want to reach out to all of you and tell you to get involved with your health, take it seriously, and find a friend or a loved one or a brother or sister or even a significant other and make that something that you guys do together, because I promise you it makes it so much more enjoyable, and it really holds you accountable and makes you just really kind of be focused in on it. And I think it's something so great, and I feel really good now that I'm taking care of myself really well, and I'm also enjoying it, which is a huge thing. So again, if you guys do want to go ahead and try out the RX bars, I will have a 25% off code for you guys below. Again, it's just rxbar.com/Megan. Use the promo code Megan, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!